Teachers' Day speech. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day all across India. It is birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a great scholar, philosopher, and a great teacher. He was first Vice President of India and served as second President of India. Dr. Radhakrishnan was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954. We celebrate Teachers' Day to pay tribute to our teachers who are guiding light of our life. Teachers mold our characters and careers. On this occasion, we take opportunity to show our gratitude to all our teachers who help us to fulfill our dreams. We all love and respect our teachers who make us good human beings. Teaching is heart art, so we thank all our teachers from bottom of our heart. Happy Teachers' Day to all.